Hey y'all, it's me, Prettywitty77, coming to you guys today with another Transition Chronicles video. So, just to give you guys an update on how my transition is going. I think I have my ups and downs, but today, as of today, I've been transitioning for 2 years, 2 months, and like 3 weeks. And this is a braid out that was in my hair probably like almost 24 hours, no, almost 48 hours, and it was still like soaking wet. It was like 4 braids, and this is what I got. It's starting to freeze up, and that's something that I'm used to now that I'm transitioning. But I know that, well, I see that that's a lot of people's problems when they go natural and they style freeze up. I guess I can kind of use it to my advantage now because I still have chemical ends at the end, so it's weighing my natural hair down, causing it to be more elongated than normal. But I can really see how when I cut that off and it just poof, I can really see that being an issue. But I guess I gotta like get used to freeze, like get used to like freeze. I don't know. Over the course of the last couple of weeks, I had a protective style, and that was dope, y'all. If I don't chop the rest of my chemically processed ends off this summer, I'm definitely gonna do a protective style probably like one week out of a month. I think that's a nice little break. When I say like with hair that's not my own, that's what I mean. But a couple of days ago, I started watching Big Chop videos, and I know people will be like, when you watching Big Chop videos, that mean you, I don't know. I kind of like to get things done and have an idea of how I want to do things. So I was watching videos. I was just looking for ideas, you know what I'm saying? Because chopping my relaxed ends or my textless ends off, it's a big deal for me. You might be like, girl, you almost there. Like, that's cool, sis. But it's a big deal because I've never dealt with my hair 100% natural before. I mean, I was like 4 when I got a relaxer. So this is still a huge deal. You know what I'm saying? I'm really feeling the transition. But I guess I kind of got fed up. When I look at people's Instagrams and be clicking around at this pretty hair, I kind of got the feel of wanting to style my hair without 2 textures. So I was like trying to set a chop date, and I think I tweeted that. If you guys follow me on Twitter, which you probably should, or not probably, you definitely should. I was like, man, I'm thinking of a date, like when I'm gonna get this hair off. I don't know, but see how I am. I'd rather set a date than to just wake up one morning and be like, time to chop. Like, that's not my style. I like to have a schedule. I don't know. Is it crazy? I don't know. But other than those like episodes I've had about like wanting to cut my hair and wanting to like style it without the chemically processed ends, I've been Gucci. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, having fun. This is starting to freeze up, y'all, like for real, but it's kind of cute now. You know, on my transition hair, I really don't know how it's gonna be on hair that's like 100% natural. Probably a disaster. But yeah, that's kind of where I am. The back part of my hair is 100% natural, not this string, but these little ones. So this is kind of where I am. If I was to style it, well, hair would be different lengths, different sections, but this is where I am. Styled. I don't know what it's gonna look like, you know, without being manipulated and stuff. So yeah, sis, that's kind of where I am. If you guys are transitioning, put in the comment section how long have you been transitioning, you know, on this day. Like, how long do you plan on transitioning? Or if you transitioned before, how long did you transition? Like, I'm trying to figure out some. Drop a comment. I'm trying to see some. Yeah, sis, so this is what I'm working with. Today I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling confident that I can do this transition even longer if I want to. I don't know, y'all, because I had an episode like me trying to set a date. If you really know me, you probably already know the only dates that I would choose, but I'm not gonna say anything because I might end up choosing one of them dates. yeah, so look forward to me probably doing protective styles. Like, I had some braids, girl, yes. I don't know, I just know me not dealing with my hair that week was great. The last time I had a protective style without, consisted of hair that wasn't my own was on my birthday last year. That was in August. So it's been probably like 8 months since, and it was great. It was great. Anyways, if you enjoyed this transition chronicles, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Become a Whitty, become a sis, become a stepchild, become anything you want to be to me but my mother, okay? Oh, I got a YouTube auntie too, so shout out to you. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, did y'all hear that? Peace.
So you gotta serve this royalty, believing in me and my dreams, and serving this royalty right.